How's everybody doing today? Keto family, MatTroise here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Vanilla ice cream from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, followed by the bell, so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. I'm going to show you how to make this simple keto ice cream from scratch with only a few key ingredients. Let's get started. All right, here we go. All right, so what we're going to use is 2 cups of vanilla almond milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of Lakanto powdered monk fruit sweetener, 10 drops of liquid stevia, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of vodka. Alright, now we're just going to mix it until it's evenly combined. Alright, been mixed thoroughly. Now to place this into the freezer for approximately 4 hours to allow it to freeze thoroughly. Alright, it's been about 4 hours. I can't wait to try this ice cream. Wow. Look at that ice cream. This looks amazing. Now for a taste test. Wow. This is really delicious. So creamy and decadent. This tastes incredible. This is probably the creamiest ice cream I've ever had. Man, this is delicious. And I'm not a huge vanilla ice cream fan. I'm usually a chocolate ice cream fan, but this is delicious. Hey, I could eat this all night. And the calories aren't as high as the ice cream I made last time, which was the HAAGEN version. So this one has about half the calories as the HAAGEN one. What a delicious ice cream. Absolutely incredible. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. MatTroise signing out.